everyone knows the big daddy Godzilla car, the Nissan GTR, the R34. But what about its, I don't know, red-headed stepchild, other trimmed car, the car that gets absolutely no love because it looks like it just skipped leg day? The R34 GTT. We bought one with only 30,000 miles. It's bone stock, and we're gonna ruin that.
Today we're at the only drift track in a cult town that I can actually think of, USAir. This is one of the few things that we're actually proud of in Wisconsin, and people come from all over the country, if not the world sometimes, to drift their cars at this track with the famous roller coaster of love. We're gonna kick this off by getting a baseline test of the car done to see how a 25-plus-year-old car actually feels in 2024 getting thrown around a track. And as soon as we're done, we aren't going back to the shop. We're tearing into this thing right here, installing some Fortunato 510 coilovers, stage 9 wheels, and a fresh set of Nexen tires, just to see how different this car feels after some much needed love.
All right, before we get into the modifications like the coilovers and the wheels and all that, I want to get a good baseline of how this car feels stock, the R34 GTT.
No, that's boring. That's boring. Everybody wants to see a baseline, but we gotta sauce it in. We gotta put some sriracha on it. So Gels, I was thinking, well, Dakota was talking, maybe a little bit of a competition.
Okay.
Let's just add a little competition in it. Let's take the car stock for stock, 3 laps around USAir's advanced track. Winner gets the pride and joy of knowing that they're faster. Loser has to do the small task of installing everything that we brought.
By themselves?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, well,
Like
I'll videotape it. Like I wasn't gonna do that already.
Yeah, but
you guys can go at it. You guys can do it.
So much understeer, holy crap! Feels like I'm driving a boat! Go, 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 go!
Sloppy! Hard on the brake. We're going into a nice turn here. Nice little hairpin, lots of understeer. We're gonna come wide. We're trying to use as much as we can. A little bit of oversteer. Hard on the brake and around. I'll tell you what, you can feel a little bit of that hicus. The car does want to come out. That open diff just won't let it, but it is a very fun experience. That ass gets planted, the suspension way too soft. These old tires are doing everything that they can, but it's definitely not all it can be.
The winner had the fastest time of a 37.82. The loser had the fastest time of a 40.82. So the person that will be installing the coilovers by themselves is...
God damn it.
Put your back in.
Shut up!
I'm glad I lost.
All right, so in our previous video, if you haven't watched that, go check it out. We talked about what we wanted to do with the car. Dakota wanted to take it to a car show in Beaver Dam. Gels wanted to be able to drift it here at USAir, and I wanted to get a picture of it out on Road America, which means we needed a coilover that could do it all. So we ended up going with the down and dirty Fortunato 510 series coilovers. We did the Swift Spring upgrades and the Swift Spring upgrades on the helper springs as well. If you want to see all the information on this coilover, go check it out over at the Martini Works Unbox channel, where we talk about everything, all the tech that goes into making this coilover great. For now, we're just gonna get this in the old Dana Line car, get back.
for round 2 of the challenge, I'm making the rules here, all right, Farmer Tan? I have one too.
Dude, Farmer Tan
Midwest bowl.
Oh, that's not the challenge. That's not the challenge. So what we're gonna do is fastest lap wins, same deal.
Okay.
But the loser
has
here.
to uninstall everything.
No, the winner. Actually, the winner gets to post whatever they want on the loser's Instagram.
I don't remember this.
That's a good one.
I remember this.
All right, so high stakes, and you both. If you don't beat your fastest lap time from before, the car is better now. So if you
no
don't,
excuse.
I'm putting you in a
that's
dunk
fair.
tank or something.
That's fair.
Maybe
That's
I'll
fair.
bury you at a beach or something. All right, let's get at it.
Okay. I need this. I need this to work. I need it to be good because we spent a long time on it. And we went through hell and back to get her done. So it better be worth it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Holy sh! Dude, this thing feels so much faster! Oh my god! Oh, the understeer is completely gone. This thing feels like it's on rails. Dude, this thing's a fucking rocket ship.
Isn't it crazy?
Holy hell. Holy moly. He's going crazy.
Wow! Holy sh!
Hot rod!
Smells hot.
It was a little toasty. It was a little toasty. We were a little wild out there. I was
Did it
really
rub it all?
No, I was
Oh
really
my
excited to
God.
get out there. I was definitely eating curbs, but wow! Oh,
All right, the fastest lap time, which was the fastest of today,
That's good.
Ooh.
That's good.
36.32.
damn!
The other person's fastest
Oh,
lap
geez,
time was 39.32. You always get the decimals the same. Alex took the cake on this one. You get to do the IG post.
It was either that or I was running over into the field.
Yeah,
I don't know. There's only 2 options.
Congrats.
But you had probably the biggest improvement over the day, which is
Full
a really
second.
good thing. Yeah, what was that, full second?
Dude, it felt faster than that, honestly. That's crazy.
Maybe
Yeah.
it's not about the lap times you guys had, but the friends we made along the way.
Or the fastest lap times. If you guys are looking to know more about the car parts that we installed on the old GTT, you can check it out over at martiniworks.com, where we help people mod their car all day long. Gels, what's next?
What's next?
More parts
Oh,
coming.
man.
More parts
This thing,
coming.
My hips can't do
I want to
this.
drift this thing, and I can't do that with an open diff, so I think we're gonna
Woo! You guys are gonna have to let us know below if you want to see anything on the car, but we need to achieve Gels' dream of getting this thing sideways at this track for the next episode. We'll see you in a bit. Hey, look really sad and depressed, like you lost a bet. Because you did. All right.